So tell me about a milestone that Jayden hit that you were super proud of.
Group time was always a little bit more challenging for him, just since, he wasn't the center of attention, and he's great at that with his amazing personality. It's so important to start introducing the kids to group as soon as we can, just since the classroom and stuff like that is always the goal. So introducing him to group time, we started out with one other peer, and we just worked on days of the week, singing songs, making it fun. And that was a little bit challenging for Jayden, but eventually he did transition to our mock classroom setting, so that's 5 other peers, and they're in there most of the day. And watching him excel in the classroom setting was a really proud moment for me, and Jayden was so proud of himself too. He really knew that he was achieving a milestone.